Good afternoon, children. Welcome to chemistry practical class. Today we are going to discuss ammonia gas, its properties, and few reactions of ammonia. Okay, ammonia. This is NH3. This is a basic gas. Okay, so its physical properties are of ammonia. These are number one. Its color is colorless. Let me write this first. Color, odor, taste, nature, and solubility. It is colorless. Ammonia is colorless. It's having a pungent smell. Ammonia is having a strong pungent smell. It is tasteless. It is basic in nature. And it is highly soluble in water. When ammonia will be soluble in water, or if we make ammonia soluble in water, then we will be getting a solution of ammonia which we are calling as ammonium hydroxide. Okay, this is the ammonia dissolved in water. So this is ammonium hydroxide solution. Okay, or ammonia solution we will say. Now there are few reactions of ammonia which we are going to discuss today. The first one is, so these are the properties. Now we are going to discuss the physical properties of ammonia, or few reactions we are going to discuss. Okay, the first reaction which we are going to discuss, that is the reaction between ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Okay, in gaseous form, the reaction between ammonia and hydrogen chloride, both in gaseous form, when they will react, this is also in gaseous form, this is also in gaseous form, we are going to get ammonium chloride, which is a solid. Okay, that means here we can see two gases are reacting together to produce a solid. Okay, ammonia plus HCl, ammonium chloride. Now this reaction, how we are going to do? There are two manner we can do this reaction. First of all, we will take a glass tube, and here we are going to take a cotton ball soaked in ammonia. The first cotton ball is soaked in ammonia. And let us use some other color for this. Okay, this is the cotton ball soaked in ammonia, and here and this end we will be, after placing this, we will seal, we will use the cork to close this part. Okay, this end of this tube. Okay, now we will take another cotton ball soaked in HCl. Okay, concentrated HCl, and ammonia also we are using in concentrated form. So this also we will do, and after placing this, we will seal this end. Now because of the diffusion, as these are gaseous substances, so they will diffuse, both ammonia and HCl will diffuse, and after some time when they will get together, uh, here we are going to get a white dense ring of, or white dense fume of ammonium chloride. After few 1 or 2 minutes we are going to get this fume. Okay, this is of ammonium chloride. So from this experiment we can get get this ammonium chloride. Okay, now you can understand, you can see that the ammonium chloride which we are getting, that is near the end of the HCl. Why this? Because the rate of diffusion of ammonia is more than that of the HCl. Rate of diffusion of ammonia is more than that of HCl. This is because the molecular weight of ammonia is less than that of HCl. The molecular weight of ammonia is it is 17. Okay, 14 plus 3, 17 AMU, whereas for HCl it is 36.5. 1 plus 35.5, so 36.5 AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, so here you can see ammonia is lighter than HCl, that's why it can diffuse faster. Okay, it can move faster, and so at this end, at the end of HCl, we are getting this ammonium chloride. The formation of ammonium chloride will be this side. Okay, this is one. In this manner we can do this experiment. Another thing is there, another way is there by which we can do the same experiment. For this, what we will do, we will take a glass tube. We will take a glass rod, just like this. Okay, I'm showing you one glass rod. See, this is a glass rod. Okay, this we will take in one container, in one bottle. We are going to take. Achha, let me rub this. We are going to take 2 bottles. In one bottle we are taking HCl. See, as concentrated HCl and concentrated ammonia is it's tough to handle, so that's why I can't show you this experiment here. So in lab we can do that, and along with this I will be sharing another video where you are getting this experiment. Okay, so that you follow. So this is concentrated HCl bottle. In this bottle we have taken concentrated HCl, and in another bottle we are taking ammonia. Okay, ammonia solution, concentrated form of ammonia we are taking here. Okay, now what we will do, we will take a glass rod and we are going to dip this glass rod in any one of this bottle. If we dip it in the, just like this, we are dipping the glass rod in ammonia and we will take it out, and then we are going to hold this glass rod near this mouth of this bottle of concentrated HCl. After dipping this glass rod in this ammonia solution, we are taking the same glass rod and we are holding this near the mouth of the concentrated HCl. Now here, when we are holding this, see, as concentrated HCl is there, so it will come out from this bottle, means the gaseous form of HCl will come out from this bottle, and you will see at this junction of this, you will get the white dense fume of ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride will be formed in this junction of this. See, this part is dipped in ammonia, that means ammonia is there, and concentrated HCl is it's coming out from this bottle. The gaseous form of concentrated HCl is coming out from this bottle, and when these two will get together, it will form the reaction, and we are going to get this ammonium chloride. The reverse thing also can be done. That means you can dip the glass rod in concentrated HCl solution, and you can hold this in this mouth of the ammonia. The same reaction only we are going to see. Okay, so in this manner we can do this experiment. This is very easy, but as we are taking the concentrated form of HCl and ammonia, so we have to be careful for this. Okay, so this was so as these chemicals are dangerous, so don't try to do this at your home. So if we get chance, we will be doing that in lab. Okay, and you just follow the other video which is there, which will be shared along with this. There I have shared the video of means the actual experiment of this. Okay, so till then you just learn this, enjoy this, and have a nice day. Take care.